You know that random dry cough you get, but you're not sick? I thought it was just the weather or stress or maybe some stuff that I've been eating, but turns out it was mucus buildup that I didn't even know I had. Then a friend told me about this herbal tea made with mullein, and I figured, why not? Well, it's naturally sweet, has no sugar, and it helps support your lungs. It's made with 8 traditional herbs, no plastic tea bags, and I noticed the difference in just a few days. Less throat clearing, easier breathing. 50 pack sells out super fast in the TikTok shop, so grab it in the TikTok shop while you can. It's been a total game changer.